So you have a ton of lily of the valley, which is horrible because it takes over and spreads and will come all into your lawn and is nice for like 2 weeks and then it gets brown and wilty and more it's just that it takes over. So you got to get it by the roots and it's kind of gnarly. All right. It's got like all of this. Oop, that's wood sorrel. You can eat that. Okay, that. And then you kind of like have to trace it, and it goes really far. See this? And it's like all of this is attached. So then you have to keep going. Like this. Mm-hmm. So what you do is just do 5 minutes at a time. Make a pile, then you get through it. Also, get rid of these because they'll do the same thing. Spread everywhere. Look nice for 5 minutes, but they're taking over your yard.
Yeah.